Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a super long time since I've made a video. I have gotten my hair darker, I've gotten fatter, and I've gotten older. So you're just gonna have to excuse the the hands, all of that, my appearance, because I'm a medical assistant and I just got off work, working a super long shift. I opened up my box, went through it. There's some things missing from my add-on sale. I'll go over that in a different video. And I just threw on a t-shirt because my work scrubs have my work name on it, like the company, so I didn't want to do that, obviously, for privacy. So I'm just gonna go over everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. I watch Brianna Links here on YouTube. I will leave her link down below. I love her. I call her Mama B. She's from my area in Ohio, so yeah, I'll leave her down below. I just want to show you guys what I got in my summer box. I will do my add-ons in a different video, and I will leave my link down below as well. So I'm going to kind of go off of the magazine and what you could have gotten. The first category, I am an annual member, so I can choose 5 categories, and then the other 2 are picked by FabFitFun, or the other 3 items are picked by them. The box is $49.99 a month. You can get $10 off your first box by signing up with my link down below. I'm sure you've seen one of these videos. There's tons of them everywhere. So the first item that I chose was the L Space tie-dye towel, which retails for $58. I love tie-dye. It's my thing. So I got this beach towel, and it has like fringe on it. I'm not going to open it up, but I'm excited to get this. Could have gotten the Draper James straw bag with floral scarf for $75, the Pottery Barn Mason ceramic diffuser in Solstice, the Yumi Kim wireless charging pad for $35, the DNA Dr. Brandt triple peptide eye cream for $82, or the Lash MD eyelash conditioner for $69.95. I almost added on the charging pad as like an extra, but I didn't know how much it would work. I have a loopy phone case for an iPhone, so I didn't know how well that would work, and I'm not taking off my phone case every time I charge my phone. So these were the options in the first category. In the second category, I chose the Michael Kors Passport Travel Wallet. I was supposed to go to Florida this year to get married. First time going down there ever, or even being on an airplane. I know you don't need a passport to go there, but I have 2 Michael Kors purses that I've splurged on over the years. One was like a college gift to myself 5 years ago. I'm getting old, but I use a small little, what's the word I'm looking for? Side purse. Why can I not think of it? Well, anyways, I use one of those on a daily when I'm out and about. And then for my work, I have a work bag, so I'll just throw my wallet in there like during the week. So it's a decent size, so I'm still gonna use it as like a regular wallet. It doesn't have like a closure, but I'm fine with that. So yeah, that was retailing for $78. You could have gotten the blue and white kimono for $59, the Business and Pleasure Co. Kohler bag for $59, the Hydropeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil for $120. That's ridiculous. The R & Co. shampoo and conditioner. So that is these 3 and these 2. In the third category, I chose the Giving Keys mini necklace. It says Believe on it. My phone's not gonna focus. I'm recording on an iPhone, which I used to record with a camera and then edit on a laptop. I'm probably not gonna edit, so a lot of a lot of me looking in the wrong direction. So this is a very tiny little key necklace. I usually just wear my engagement ring and my little earrings. Don't really wear necklaces. I'm a big chested girl, so they tend to like get lost up in the crack. But I thought I would give this a go as something dainty and cute. So that was $45. Could have also gotten, there's 2 Kola sunscreen lotions that were matte. I have super dry skin, so I did not go for those. The other thing could have been the Tom's sunglasses for $58. I have a round face, so I didn't think those would look good. The black peel-off hydro eye mask set for $59. The Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Brianna Links that I follow on YouTube, she loves Kate Somerville products. I debated on that, but I have eczema prone dry skin, so I try and watch what I'm doing with my skin. And then Dry Bar Prep Rally Detangler, I have that, so I didn't get that. So these two and that necklace, and then also these three and this. So in the fourth category, I chose the Zoella ice roller. Looks like this, and it's pretty big for my face. You can put it in the freezer. That was $30. Could have gotten the Aloe and Tea Tree toner. I didn't really want that. The silk satin pillow sleeve, I heard it's good for like wrinkles and stuff because I'm starting to get a forehead one. I'm almost 30 in September, so yeah. Or the vase or vase for $28. So those were the 4 options for that category. So these two and those two. I almost got that, but decided not to because I went crazy with the add-ons, which you'll see that video. Excuse my voice. And then could have gotten for the 5th category, I chose the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum for $25. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Could have also gotten the Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray for $25 or the Beach Mist for $42. So it came, I'm trying to rush because my fiance and my son are on the way home, and yeah, it's pretty decent size. I have dry skin, so I thought I'd give this a try. I'm trying to be better with skincare instead of just slapping on moisturizer after washing my face. If you hear something like sniffling around, it's my freaking dog. He has to be up my butt till his dad gets home. So that were these 3, or no, these 2. Sorry. Did I say there was 3 in that category? There's only 2. The Beach Mist was, I'm losing my mind, okay? I worked 14 hours. And then the last category, FabFitFun picks for you. And I got 3 of these items, which I'm kind of happy with what I got. I wish I would have got the Murad, but whatever. I got the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow for $16. I have this on my brows right now. I use this all the time. I'm so glad I got this because I can always use more. Mine is like a white container, but this is gold. I'm all right with that. The other thing I got was the Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream and with menthol for $24. It's supposed to smell like oranges. It smells okay. Not really big on foot creams, but that's fine. And then the other thing was the Spongelli Coconut Verbena Hand Cream for $18. Berkana Links got me into Spongellis. You'll see I'm obsessed with them lately. Could have also gotten the Oil Original Roll-On. This was the mix with your like body chemistry for $50. The Makeup Drop Makeup Applicator for $20. Murad for $40 cleaner. And the Wander Beauty Eye Mask for $25. So those were all of those. Yep, and that's what I got in my FabFitFun Summer box. I will leave my link down below. Thank you so much for watching. And then in a few days, I'll upload my add-ons, same shirt, all of that. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Trying to get back into recording again. I've been debating on it for a long time. If you want me to record like what I got in my May BoxyCharm, just let me know and I will gather up everything and do that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.